Get this, I raked in all this dough faster than you can say bull run. It was like stumbling onto the financial equivalent of a golden ticket. Serious about making these kinds of gains? Pay close attention as I walk you through the exact method. Let me show you exactly how this works. But first, the launch. If you're even considering Pump.Fun, you're starting off completely wrong. We need to solve this first. Hop on Photon and filter for Pump.Fun's DEX. You'll see many meme coins tossed in a matter of every minute. Projects like Pepedo launch only to immediately crash. The problem? Pump.Fun's flooded with low-effort tokens since launching there requires zero skill. Pull up Radium and filter the data. You'll notice something beautiful. No crowd. Only 15 coins in 10 minutes means ravenous demand. Now check these ridiculous metrics. Liquidity depth, market valuation, volume, absolute fire. The secret? Radium listings require actual programming chops. That's why we're launching here. Stick with me and I'll break it down. Guys, this changes everything. LaunchTool lets anyone create a Radium token. No coding needed at all. Literally just click through some menus and boom, your coin's live. Been running this play for weeks now and the profits? Absolutely stupid money. I found a cool logo with a quick image search. Looking at the latest trends, everyone is obsessed with AI Studio GHUBLI images lately. So I'm going to use that theme for my coin. Open Canva, punch in 128 by 128 pixels, tweak as necessary, and save it. That's literally the entire process for the logo creation. First things first, connect your wallet. I'm using Phantom Wallet, then fill out your token information. We'll name it GHUBLI Coin and use GHUBLI for the symbol. The description field is optional. I'm skipping it, but you can add something if you like. Find your logo, upload it, and click Next to continue. Leave the decimal places and token amount as they are. No changes needed here. Simply click Next to proceed. Getting verified as creator costs 0.1 Solana. Totally your call. Personally, I'd pocket that Solana and pass. Same with social links. Nice to have but not essential since your real traffic will come straight from Radium. Just hit skip and keep it moving. Security settings alert. This part is non-negotiable. While disabling these features saves you 0.3 Solana, it's the fastest way to kill investor confidence. Smart money always verifies freeze and mint functions. Skip them and your token looks like a scam. Keep everything active and click Launch My Token properly. We wait a few seconds for the procedure to finish. Hit confirm in your wallet, and just like that, your token is up and running. We will now proceed to enable the trading functionality of your token. Return to launchtool.io and select the Create Liquidity Pool button. This will redirect you to Radium for liquidity pool configuration. Initiate the process by designating your meme token as the base token. Retrieve the token's contract address from LaunchTool, copy it, and input it into Radium. Make sure to put GHUBLI Coin for the name and GHUBLI for the symbol, and execute Add User Token for registration. Alright, when it comes to liquidity, if you rolled in with 1 billion tokens, dedicate 900 million to the pool. And for the trading pair, Solana's the top pick, since it's the OG currency of the Solana network. Important, when adding Solana, use max, and then reduce it by approximately 5%. This accounts for fees and provides a buffer. Set the fee tier to 2%, a balanced rate for attracting traders. Okay, here's where the magic happens. Hitting that Initialize Liquidity Pool button, your wallet's gonna jump in, asking for the green light. This is it, folks, the big finale. Confirm the transaction and bam, your token's now vibing on the open market. You're the pioneer here. That means every trade fuels your earnings with zero extra effort. And because you got in before the crowd, the gamble is next to nothing. Now kick back and watch your token take off. Log into Photon, use the Radium filter, and your MemeCoin will be staring right back at you. It's at the top, because you're fresh off the launch. This instant visibility confirms your token's active and ready for business. Alright, back to launchtool.io. Snag your coin address, then hit up DEX Screener. Pick any random coin, dump your address in there, and boom, your coin's chart pops right up. It's easy. Guys, if you check, you can already see some orders being executed. Initial activity? Usually, it's just automated bots. Nothing special. I'm patient, waiting for a high-conviction whale to make its move. That's the real signal we want. For now, don't worry. It's all part of the process. A few minutes in, and we've got our first juicy entry at $87. This is the setup we've been waiting for. Promising signs, now it's all about holding steady. Patience is key. Just stick to the plan. Nice. We just got filled at $121. 1.06 Solana right there. Take a look at the liquidity depth too. This is textbook perfect setup. Let's give it a little more time to develop. Trade executed at $96. That's 0.84 Solana on the books. The sweet spot? Doesn't rely on any promotion, and the real value? Unlimited opportunities to run this same play. Right, now that we're done here, we're going to pull back your liquidity. I'll show you the step-by-step. Okay, start by connecting your creator wallet on Radium. Next, go to the portfolio section. Select Standard, and there's your fund. Click the minus button, withdraw the 100%. Check the amount is in Solana and confirm the transaction. Simple as that. Okay, now that we've completed the entire process, it's time to check our wallet. See that cash you pulled in? I tossed in $57 to mint the coin, and look, I made $380 in minutes. No cap, this method's straight fire, guys. And just to be transparent, I'm not affiliated with Radium, Photon, or Launchtool in any way, but if you want to verify this yourself or find out more, I've put all the links down in the description.